Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Joy Aromas. Today, I'm going to be putting a quick little blend for you. This won't take a long time if you have to do it. I'm going to be using 4 oils today. I'm going to be putting them up on the screen. As you can see here, you need a syringe, and a couple of these oils are very new today. They're small ones, and I like to use the small bottles because the bigger ones, they're like too hard sometimes to use. So I'm going to be putting this blend together for you, and it's called a Peaceful Night Blend. So let's go ahead and go with this one. Oh, this one is a brand new one. You can see I was tugging on it just now. That's what they do sometime, just because of spillage. And here I have 2 different syringes. I have a small one and I have a big one because you can see right here it is hard to get out. So I'm going to be using 1 drop, and I hope you can see that. That's all you need. But there is no ways to say, oh, I'm just gonna stick to this recipe. Where I use this is just I'm gonna be using this in my bedroom actually. It's really, this is some really beautiful oils to use in your bedrooms. So and it's also have vanilla in there already, and vanilla just make you have a peaceful rest, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna be putting this in my bedroom, this mixture right here, because you don't want anything stronger than this. But if you should say, oh, I have a bigger room, like your dining area, living area, all in one, no one is saying you cannot double up on this recipe. Just make sure you keep a top and your diffuser, because remember, oil and water does not mix. So what will happen is the water will disappear, and it's gonna leave the oil in the bottom. So what you need to do when that's all gone is to get a Kleenex and just wipe out your diffuser before putting some in there. I have a couple of video guys to show you some of these